Welcome to Chillpreneur Vibes. Once there was a man named John who worked at a local supermarket as a cashier. John had been working at the same job for many years. And he felt like he was stuck in a rut. He was bored and uninspired. And he felt like he was going nowhere in life. One day, a customer came through his line with a big smile on her face. She struck up a conversation with John and told him about how she had recently started her own business, selling handmade soaps and lotions. She talked about how she had taken a chance on her dreams, and how it had paid off. John was inspired by her story, and he began to think about his own dreams. He had always loved to cook, but he had never pursued it seriously. The more he thought about it, the more he realized that he wanted to start his own catering business. Over the next few months, John began to work on his business plan and save up some money. He spent his free time experimenting with new recipes and perfecting his cooking skills. And eventually, he took the leap and quit his job at the supermarket to start his own business. It wasn't easy at first, but John was determined to succeed. He worked hard and put in long hours, and slowly but surely, his business began to take off. He got rave reviews for his food and his service, and he started to get more and more customers. Looking back, John realized that if it wasn't for that chance encounter with the customer in the supermarket, he might have never pursued his dream. But now, he was living proof that it's never too late to follow your passions and make a change in your life. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to smash the subscribe button.